Hey guys, I wanted to show you something that's also unique about this design from front to back. I want you to understand something. So, right here, underneath this gear, is a cage needle bearing. It is an off-the-shelf needle bearing. It's an HK 4512. So, these bearings can be replaced in the locker unit. And of course, you can actually lube these things if you want to. You don't want to grease them. Lightweight oil, like machine oil and stuff, works best. Greasing them will kind of gum things up. So, if you'll just put some oil on there, you can slide the cage out, put some little oil on there and grease them up so that the little gears will slide back. WD-40 are a little bit easier. You with me? And of course, moving on by the design, also in the back of here, your thrust bushing, which is installed, spline, which is one of the secrets, which keeps all this in alignment, your stub shaft in alignment, and also takes the axial force from the centrifugal force. When that stub shaft activates and starts turning, it wants to slide out like anything. You know about that from high school physics. And of course, these are softer than your stub shaft, so they're designed to wear out first. May not ever wear out, but they're softer than the stub shaft. And then, of course, you have this sealed ball bearing in the back, this heavy-duty sealed bearing, and you see right there that that's a clip, and you can tap out that bearing and replace it. So it's a beautiful design, and of course, you know, in review, you can grease these things anytime you feel like. That's completely up to you. So these things are literally lots of simple things that you can do to them. God bless you. God bless America. And, yeah, you can get all these parts on the open market or call us. Bye.